Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog video. I was riding the project and found this truck stuck in the mud. The driver told me he parked on the side of the road and didn't realize it was muddy. He had to call for a wrecker to pull him out. This wrecker driver knew what he was doing, hooked onto the truck and winched it out. The wrecker driver got in the truck and backed it right out. Well, maybe after a little tire spin. You can see that the truck was really stuck. After getting the truck free, he parked it on the roadway where it originally should have been parked. I just had to show you this truck. It's a beautiful Ford F550 belonging to Priority Towing. Look at all those emergency lights. Kinda looks like Christmas. This truck even has outriggers. Here's a shot of where the truck was stuck. It was really deep. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.